teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. Now I'm going to teach you how to play You Needed Me. You Needed Me in piano in very easy way. Left hand is this part, the one that has box on the upper part. That means left hand is F, F, G, G, C, and another C here. We forgot to write. Okay, then C, F, another F here. I forgot again to write because you have to play it automatically, but for you to play it, I wrote it again. Okay, now let's play together. Right hand is on the G clef part. Okay, ready? Middle C, 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 C. Then another F, C, 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 D flat. And then another G here, C, C, B flat, B flat. Another C here, C, C, B flat, F. Another F, C, 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 C. Okay, and then here F, 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 higher E flat, E flat with a B flat left hand, B flat, D, D, another D, F, F, D, D, left hand G, 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 higher F, 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 D, E, left hand, D, 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 C, C, left hand, C, 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 left hand F, C, left hand F again, C, 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 left hand G, C, B flat, B flat. Next, G, C, C, B flat, left hand C, 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 B flat, B flat, D, F, right hand C, 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 left hand F, 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 E flat higher, left hand is B flat, E, 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 D, D, another B flat, F, F with the left hand, F, C, C, A, left hand D, A, G, G, F, left hand G, A, G, G, another left hand G, A, G, G, left hand G, A, G, G, F, F, D, A, G, G, left hand C, G, G, F, F. Yay! Okay, that's very easy. Easy way to play You Needed Me. This is a song
Words and sung by Murray. Anne Murray. I forgot. And also Westlife sang it also. Okay, Westlife version. Okay, you can download this PDF file in the link below the description if you want. And thank you very much for watching.